Welcome to my channel. ASUS RT-BE88U Wi-Fi 7 Router Setup Easy Step-by-Step Guide 2025. Unbox the ASUS RT-BE88U router, plug it into power, and turn it on. Connect the router's WAN port to your internet modem. Connect your computer using a LAN cable or the default Wi-Fi shown on the router label. Open a browser and type http://router.asus.com or 192.168.50.1. Log in with the default username admin and password admin, or the one on the label. Set a strong new admin password for better security. Create your own Wi-Fi name, SSID, and Wi-Fi password. Select your internet connection type, DHCP, PPPoE, or static IP, based on your ISP. Save the settings and let the router reboot. Reconnect your devices using the new Wi-Fi details and test your internet. Thanks for watching.